Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alex is here with Modesty. Today, I finally received my add-ons for Boxycharm. And I'm hoping everything is here. And if so, I should be getting the things I expected and I've been talking about on my videos. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. And if this is your first time here, as I always say, welcome. And please consider subscribing if you like what you see, okay? And so today what I have is my Boxycharm, and I'm really excited because those add-ons take like forever to get to you. And I'm like, oh my God. And I had to contact Boxycharm again because I didn't get it, and it said it was delivered. I said, I didn't get it. So they sent me another tracking, and here it is again. So I don't know what's been going on. I don't know with all that stuff going on with FedEx. I mean, if that's a sign of what's happening in FedEx, very unfortunate tragedy, as you guys know, happened in the Indianapolis airport part of the FedEx. And so very sad, and my heart goes out to the families who suffered the loss and all of the co-workers who had to suffer through it, who did live. And so definitely my prayers are with them. And yeah, that's that. Anyway, so yeah, back to my box. I mean, I didn't mean to be a downer. I'm so sorry about that. I did want to recognize that, you know, there's some issues out there, and that is totally out of their control, and I totally get it. And so, you know, we need to kind of ease up on how we feel about things in life, because those are small things, right? So anyway, so let's take a look and see what's in my box here. And where's my cutter? Oh, here we go. You know, I don't want to lose this. I don't know if you guys been with me from the beginning of time. I didn't have one of these. And when I would start opening a box, it would take me forever. I mean, it was like comic relief just watching me try to, it was like a monkey trying to open a box. It was so funny. And so, yeah, so now I have the cutter, and I never lost it. I'm knocking on wood because I don't want to lose it, because I really love this cutter, and I haven't really cut myself either. So we're doing good. We're, 10 for 10. Okay, here we go. And so anyway, like I said, this has been long in coming, and I'm hoping I got everything in there, because they listed 2 different tracking numbers, but the other one just like kind of died. And so I don't know. So, okay, there's a lot of, let me show you how they come. They come just like a regular, cardboard box, nothing fancy. It doesn't say Boxycharm. It comes like this, and all of the stuff are on the inside. But let me go ahead and move all this around. Sorry for all the noise, okay? So anyway, okay, so here we go. Yep, I think I got everything here. So let me give you a looky. Here we go. And I will start pulling it out one at a time, because I'll be honest, like always, I don't remember exactly I ordered, because it's been a while. And so, yeah, here we go. And one of the things that I actually ordered, and I didn't get in my bag, which I really wanted, is these eggs. And I'm not going to open them right away, but what these are is they're called, what is it? Blending eggs, yeah, and it's by Beauty Bakery, and they're just sponges. That's all they are. And I don't want to open them, because I got them because they're so cute, and I thought, you know what, this would make a really cute addition to a giveaway box. So I didn't get it for me, because I have like, yeah, right now I can count about 20 beauty blenders down there, and so of all different brands. And so this I got because it's really cute, and I think somebody would really like it. Even though eggs, I guess you could give it any time. Yeah, that's that. And so that's that. And next in the box, okay, I got a second one actually, and this is by Kat Von D, or called KVD now, after she sold the company. It's called the Locket, and it is a foundation brush. I have one already open, so here, that I use a lot, and here it is. And this is the same one. The reason why I got a second one is because I'm in love with this brush. I mean, when I use foundation, I can get into spots like this, and also I do my eyes first. If you've ever watched me before, you know that I do my eyes first. And when I go in with the foundation, I'm able to go around the parts of the eyes like this without destroying my, eyes, my eyeshadow. So I really love this brush. And I said, you know what? super cheap, and I couldn't believe it. So I said, you know what, I'm going to get a second one. This is probably going to last me a lifetime. I'm probably going to have this, you know, 50 years from now, but still. So yeah, that's that. And then the next one I got is by Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and this actually came so highly rated. Not like I need another, you know, highlighter, but this is Kilowatt highlighter that I got from her. And this is actually, I believe, Rhonda, I know you're out there saying, Alexis, that's on your low buy. Low buy is a highlighter. I know. So, yeah. I already hear you, Rhonda. So anyway, but here it is. It is a pure white one. I don't have one like that. So anyway, here's the mirror. And it has the B, okay, the symbol there, okay. And this one is a Middle Moon. And actually, I just saw this at Sephora, and I couldn't believe how expensive these actually are. And, you know, I'm not going to be opening this and using this right away. So, you know, I'll keep it around for, you know, future use. And yeah, that's that. And then the next thing I got is this DNA by Dr. Brandt, and it's a triple peptide eye cream. You guys know I don't buy eye creams, and I keep saying this, but I do get some of them in the boxes. And I noticed that Dr. Brandt has some pretty good stuff. And I wanted to try it only because it was inexpensive. And I want to see, you know, if it really works. It's a peptide. I do like peptides. I use peptides every day in the morning and the evening. Not so much in the morning because I put vitamin C. And you shouldn't mix peptide with vitamin C. And so I do peptides more at night, okay? Unless, of course, in the morning, I do, let's say, peptide first. And then, like, in the afternoon when I go pray, I wash my face and I put on, you know, vitamin C. Then I'll do it like that. But I don't ever put it on at the same time. So peptides and vitamin C do not mix, okay? Just keep that in mind. Okay, so anyway, I digress. So the DNA triple peptide eye cream, I will go ahead and try this and see how it works. And when you see it in the empties, I'll explain it all to you, okay? You know, if it worked, if it didn't work. Okay, and this one here, which was a surprise for me that was on sale because I do use this product, is a Pro Longwear Fluid Line. This is the eyeliner gel by MAC. And this is in black, I think, because I don't have black one. I do have one in brown. But this is, yeah, Midnight Snack. What? Midnight Snack? Snack? Is that black or snack? It's snack. Midnight Snack. Man, I hope this is black and not blue. Okay. Oh, you know what? That's right. I didn't get black. I got like that gray ash type. I don't know if you can see it through there. It's like an ash color because black seems really, nowadays with my age, it just looks really severe. So I try to avoid too much black. Yeah, having said that, I'm going to do an old black eyeshadow look to see if I can do it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, that's that. And then the next one is, again, this is on my no-buy list. This is on my no-buy list, guys. I know. Blush. But it was Nars. And I'm not going to, like, use it right away. And this is, like, called Angelica. And I definitely don't have this shade. And so I said, well, I don't have this shade. So does that qualify for a no-buy? Yeah, it kind of does. Yeah, I'm cheating here. I'm exploiting loopholes. One thing I'm very good at doing. But take a look at this, though. Beautiful color. I think I recently got one like this in a box accidentally. And I said, dang it, I just bought it on add-ons. I think I got it from my chic box. And I didn't know I was going to get it. So, yeah. But that's okay. Different shades, though. But anyway, that's that. And I will put it aside. And I can see my comments now. Man, I'm going to have to justify why I bought all of this no-buy stuff. Ew. So, okay. And the last three things, I'm down to the last three things. They are all from Natasha Denona, okay? And here is the Coral palette, which I don't have, and I wanted, and I'm glad this is... Oh, it came in a box Oh, but the other two didn't come in a box Okay. So anyway, yeah, I wanted these because I don't have them, and I like them because they're really easy to manage. You know, you don't have to sit there with her big palettes going, okay, which colors? This one. No, this one just a straight up, okay, I got these colors, and I'm going to use them. And look at this. It is just so beautiful. So beautiful. And this could be used, I mean, spring, summer, or, you know, going into the fall. I mean, depending on which colors you choose. But I really love this middle color here in the middle. And so, yeah, that's that. And then the other two Natasha Denona palettes, also the small ones, but this one is called a Palette 5. And this is in the shade of, they do have shades, don't they? I think they have numbers. I'm going to have to look. Yeah, because the other one is also Palette 5. I hope I did. Oh, yeah, here we go. This is kind of sort of like, it's got the colors that I wanted to get from the box, but I didn't get. And I think, Jen, was that you? Or somebody said, well, yeah, it's not the same one. It's not in the add-ons, but you will get one similar. So I did get one similar. I was happy about that. This is called a palette number 11 of the 5 pans. So this is nice. And you know, I need to look at my bigger palettes because I do own all of Natasha Denona's palettes. I need to look and see if these shades are repeated. I don't think so. Some of them maybe, but I know like the initial one that they made for Boxycharm, which was a fall one, the Peak palette. Now that does come from 3 different palettes because I do have those colors already, but it's nice to have it in one palette, guys. It really is. And this one here is palette number, it's not on here, but it's on here though. Okay, this is palette number 6. Oh, this is different. Why does it look like that? Okay, you notice the stripe? I'm like, okay, wait a minute. Is that supposed to be there? Or is that tape? No, I guess it's supposed to be there. Okay, well, let me open it then so you guys can see it better. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. I really like it. And you actually, if you have a miniature brush, you can put it here. There's room for a brush here. I just noticed that. Okay, there you go. These are so pretty. And, you know, these are such springy colors. I think that's what attracted me because I need to get away from my mauves and, you know, I mean, deep colors for the spring and summer and try to do more of the peaches, the oranges. And Casey, actually, she did a peachy look using the Butte palette the other day, and I watched her video, and it just came out so nice and so springy. But she's beautiful anyway, and so she could probably throw, you know, anything on, and then she'll look just as beautiful. But anyway, yeah, and she did do that, and I was really inspired that she did that, and I'm like, huh, yeah, maybe I'll try orange. Yeah, maybe not because my skin tone's not that, but I could definitely try blue. Okay, so that's that. I talk a lot, guys. You know. I didn't used to. I used to be so quiet. And actually, I'm very quiet at work. And Mia, if you're watching, you could probably say, yeah, she's not as talkative like that. I mean, maybe with her I am, but I'm not in general. So anyhow. Anywho, so my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing for the Boxycharm and Boxycharm add-ons, I should say. And please, if you have any comments, leave it below, but be nice. I know I bought some low buys and no buys, but yeah. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being part of the Wildflower family. You don't know how much I really appreciate you guys, and you guys make my day when I get to answer you and respond to you and put funny faces on my comments and send you butterflies and kisses, and thank you so much, guys. I truly do appreciate it. And so if I added any value today, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you really like this type of content and somebody as chatty as me, please do consider subscribing. And also scoot over and hit that bell button and select all, and you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend whenever you're watching this. But regardless, remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.